Patty Roggevain, the Executive Director of the Dreamland Foundation, and we're very excited. If you look around, you can see why. We've made great progress on our building, and with the help of the planning board's okay to extend our ability to work on the exterior of the structure 2 more weeks to the end of June, we should have this building wrapped up and watertight by the end of the moratorium or the beginning of July. So we're very, very pleased for that and thank them for their support. We are very much in the throes of fundraising as well. This is a summer that's going to close our gap and finish the job, and as we continue to build, we want you to continue to think about partnering with us to bring this project to Nantucket and be part of that. Our board is working very hard right now, not just what you see here on site, but we're working behind the scenes, everything from the interior design to programming. We're going to be opening, we believe, without a doubt, for the Film Festival of 2012 and some soft opening events leading up to that. So we're raring to go. We hope you join us. The board, like I said, got together here on the island about a week ago, had a really all-day intense discussion of what the program's going to look like. Join us with your financial support, join us with your ideas, whatever you can do, please come and join the Dreamland. Thank you very much.